The nice Soon SO2000 operator. Wiring of the infrared safety beams, whereby the receiver of the beams makes use of 4 wires. To begin, we have wired up the infrared receiver from normally closed using the purple wire, disk of floor. Connect that up to the open input. From there on, we've made use of the orange wire, which is your common, and connect that up to the second open input. To power up the infrared beam receiver, connect the positive to the SBS or PP on the control card output, disk of floor. And lastly, for the negative input of the beam, take that wire to the stop input. Overview. Configuration of input. To configure the input to make use of the infrared beams, it is mandatory to use the overview. To begin, press and select Menu. Press and select C unit functions. Scroll to Advanced Parameters. Select Input Configuration. Select Input 2. Scroll down to Photo. Select Photo. Exit by pressing